Yes, now we can discuss about top 4 skills to become a successful machine learning engineer. My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. Then again we can go into the subject. As a machine learning algorithm engineer, it is critical that you not only understand the specific set of skills required, but also that you have a reasonable understanding of the context in which you are working. Machine learning is concerned with developing algorithms that can instruct themselves to develop and adapt when faced with fresh data sets. As a result, there is a lot of interest in the field of machine learning among those who want to pursue a career in it, as well as corporations who want to reap the benefits of its use. As a machine learning algorithm engineer, it is critical that you not only understand the specific set of skills required, but also that you have a reasonable understanding of the context in which you are working. The top of your skills you will need to become a machine learning algorithm engineer are listed below. That is, number one is modeling and evaluation of data. Information modeling is a method for analyzing the underlying structure of any data set to identify a profitable pattern or capture forecasts of previously hidden patterns. If the required assessment is not done to determine the model's feasibility, this approach will be useless. It is critical to understand these measurements even when using standard algorithms to select an appropriate error measure and apply an evaluation technique. This is regarding modeling and evaluation of data. Then the second one for machine learning engineer, uh, successful machine learning. The second skill is computer science and programming. Data structures, that means stacks, lines, multidimensional arrays, trees, charts, and so on. Algorithms, searching and arranging, optimization, dynamic programming, and so on. Compatibility and multifaceted nature. P versus NP. NP complete issues, big zero notation, estimated algorithms, and so on. And computer architecture are all important for machine learning engineers. Memory, cache, bandwidth, deadlocks, distributed processing, and so on. And the third skill to become a successful machine learning engineer is software engineering and system design. Any ML engineer, ML means machine learning engineers, deliverables are expected to yield something like this. It is that small portion that eventually become a part of the larger ecosystem. As previously started, you must create the puzzle, remember the various parts, ensure they work with the help of a legitimate framework to interface communication, and finally carefully structure the framework so that any bottlenecks are kept at a strategic distance and the algorithms effectively scale alongside the volume of data. And then a fourth skill to become a successful machine learning engineer is probability and statistics. Matrix, matrices, vectors, and matrix manipulation multiplications must all be recognized. Even basic concepts like gradient descent may baffle you unless you have a good understanding of derivatives and integrals. For algorithms like Navy Bayes, Gaussian mixture model, and hidden Markov models, statistical notations, notions like mean, standard deviations, and Gaussian distributors, as well as probability hypothesis are necessary. This is the information of top 4 skills to become a successful machine learning engineer. Wishing you all the best.